Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. There's lots of stuff going on at Walgreens, so if you can sneak away, this is the day to go shopping because there's so much going on, including a free haul, which we'll discuss at the end with the boosters, 90% off of select toys. So there's a lot going on. So these specific boosters, at the end of the video, we will do a deal with the top one, and we're only doing half of it. So technically $12.50 coming back, but you won't get your $25 until you do the second transaction. Hopefully that is crystal clear. And then yes, you can stack a paper booster with the digital booster. I picked up a photo order for a 4x6 print for like 13 cents. And this printed for me. So hopefully it's printing for you as well. Stacking it with that booster, it's a little bit of magic. We dive into it, if you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out me and the channel if you could take a second and like the video so this one doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. Thank you so much guys for liking the video. So the first toy that we're looking at is 90% off of this mini food brands, which is so cute and adorable. Foodie mini brands, so it's a bunch of little foods in this. These always are so perfect at Christmas time to put at the base of a stocking, and I make a lot of stockings for nieces and nephews. 95 cents. I mean, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Here is the UPC. Look for this in the regular toy section. Look for it in the clearance section. Look for it in the toy clearance section. Ask for a price check. 95 cents is what we're talking about. A lot of the 4th of July Squishmallows and little toys now 75% off. I think they really want it out of the store so they can really start focusing on back to school. And with that, I've noticed that a lot of the summer stuff they've started putting either 25 or 30% on because I think it's just not selling very well. I think people just do not have money for a big super soaker or more Squishmallows. So if this is some stuff that you're like, hey, I had my eye on that, by all means, go and stock up. Let's get right into the deals this week. We're looking at getting 2 of either the Dove Ladies or the Dove Men. You get to pick which body wash you want. They're priced at $7 a pop. And we got a gift this morning, which is an 8 off of 2 digital coupon. This rarely shows up. Make sure you load it, press the clip button. And this is the deal. Grabbing 2 of these for $14, subtracting your wonderful digital coupon, you're going to pay $6, get back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for 2 or $1.50 per. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend $5 and then pay $1 cash to get back that $3 register reward, and it should print for you. To answer another question, what's a booster? What are you talking about? The top is a paper booster that comes from the store, and the bottom one is a digital booster you'll find in your account. So when I'm saying, you know, you're doing this without a booster, meaning you're doing a deal without using either of these. Hopefully that's clear. The next super deal this week is with the Cheerio cereal at $1.88. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Plus, we have 50 cents back from IBOTTA. That is 50 cents back on each box. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today. One of my favorite apps. Actually, my favorite app for couponing. Okay, so 2 of these General Mills cereal at $1.88 a pop is $3.76. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $2.76. Photograph your receipt for 50 cents back times 2, so $1 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $1.76 for the 2 or 88 cents per box. That is a stock-up price. No booster deal. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But how fantastic is this deal? We're looking at some Colgate Fancy. The total, I actually have to pick this up this week because I do like this paste one. $5 a pop, $4 reward when you purchase 2. And we got this, which is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you're going to load, which is fantastic. Okay, so 2 of the fancier Colgates for $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per very fancy toothpaste. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use $5 of Walgreens cash to earn your $4 register reward, and what a deal this one is. Now, the next one is for all the parents out there, or if you're trying to stock up on diapers. The Pampers are 2 for $21. $4 reward when you purchase 2. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. Check if you don't want to get easy ups. I think there are some other ones that are also included. So grabbing 2 of these for 21, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down a little bit of that. I am going to suggest, though, if you have a very large booster, such as the ones we were talking about at the beginning of the video where you have to do 2 transactions to earn back 25, this would be a really large part of one of your transactions. And if you're looking for diapers, that's how I personally would do it. The Scott toilet paper and paper towel is buy one, get one 50% off. This morning we got dollar digitals on both. So load both of these because a lot of us are trying to stock up on cheap paper. Here's the easy breezy deal. 2 of these is $7.50. Subtracting $2 digital coupons, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per bag of paper. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but $2.75 for paper is exactly what I like to see. Head and Shoulders at $6, $4 reward when you purchase 2, and we also have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. So make sure you have this one loaded. I think some of us also have a 6 off of either 3 or 4. That's another one. But using this coupon specifically, grabbing 2 of those for 12, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Head and Shoulders. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We're looking at the best P&G deal this week, and it goes to the Tide and Downy and Bounce products that are $5.49. It's on a promotion that when you buy 4, you get back a $4 register reward. So you're going to have to look for the items that are tagged specifically with this label. And we have $1.50 digital coupons on the dryer sheets, the fabric softener, the Tide Pods, and the Tide Liquid. Forgive me, guys. That Downy, I could not track down the coupon. It vanished in my app somewhere. But in store, grabbing 4 of these, it's going to be $21.96 and get a variety of them. $1.50 times 4 is $6 of digitals melting off. You're going to pay $15.96. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per laundry care product. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but what a spectacular deal. Another deal I absolutely love is the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens freezer bags, and there's a variety of sizes, and basically when you look at the math of $2.79 divided by 3, it's 93 cents per box of 20. So that is definitely a stock up price. Okay, the last thing we're going to look at, guys, is stacking this beautiful 5-back when you spend 15 with the progressive spend 50 twice to earn back 25. So you have to do 2 separate transactions, either in-store or online. And this is what I have for my basket. 2 of the Dove, which we already went through that deal. 2 of the Olay scrubs that are $10 a pop. And I'm going to show you that here in a quick second. And then a more expensive Gillette Lab razor. Now, the Gillette Lab razor is $16.99, the one that we're going to be grabbing. So the one towards the very left. Please pay attention and scan it in the app because all of them look alike. You don't want to get the cheaper one. You want the one for $16.99. And this beautiful coupon, a 7 off 1, is attaching, so you'll either have a 7 off or a 5 off. And then these scrubs are $10 a pop, $5 reward when you spend 20 or more, and you've achieved it with this. And then for those scrubs, we have this beautiful 7 off 2 digital coupon. Plus, we have our 8 off a 2 for the Dove loaded. So here's the breakdown for this one. 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, 2 Olay scrubs for $20, a Gillette Lab for $16.99. Your total is $50.99. Get the cashier to scan that paper booster. Have your digital booster loaded of 25 back when you spend 50 twice. This is your first transaction, so that 25 will not appear in the first one. The second one, it should appear. You have $22 in digitals melting off. We've already gone through them. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $28.99. You're going to get back your $5 in Walgreens cash, and you've achieved 50% of the 25, so that's $12.50 coming back. it's going to come back. So hopefully you can understand what I'm saying. It's not going to appear, but your second transaction, you'll get the 25. So it'll be, in theory, half of it, plus $13 in register rewards, 3 for Dove, 5 for Olay, 5 for Gillette. It basically makes this a free haul. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, say you have other register rewards last week from Palmolive or Colgate or whatever you want to throw into this to get a smaller out of pocket, absolutely go for it. Go and make these deals happen, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.